In today's show, because it's halfway through the season, we're going to give you the best off so far. But to kick it all off, we got Shred Science, where we caught a load of riders on the hop and just threw a load of questions at them. Don't worry, I didn't get most of them right either, because I can't spell, can I?
Regular.
Regular.
Oh, that's regular.
Goofy.
Regular.
Regular.
H-A-K-E-S-O-N.
H-A-A-K-O-N-S-E-N.
H-A-A-K-O-N-S... No.
H-A-A-K-O-N-S-E-N.
Oh, I have no idea.
H-A-A-K-O-N-S-E-N.
Six.
6.
6.
The Mont Blanc in France.
Oh, I don't know.
Mont Blanc.
That mountain is like half Germany, half Swiss or something, isn't it?
Fuck, I don't know.
7 times 7.
What?
7 times 7.
Oh, 49.
7 times 7 is 49.
Oh, 36.
And boys, because I didn't tell you we were going to ask you those questions, you did damn good. I hate being a douche and asking people questions off the hop. Anyway, it's best off time. We have Danny Cass, we have Sage Kostenberg, we have Haldor Helgason, we have the Ethan Morgan. It's the best off time so far.
You want to tell us what the bird bath is?
I have a bad feeling about this.
You make like a, you know, bird bath when you see in the backyard the birds like drink from that?
Yeah.
You make like a small little bath out of your ball sack, and then you put a tequila in there, and then you make somebody drink it, and they don't need the salt because the salt is already in your balls because you've been dancing all night or something, you know?
So Ethan, how old are you right now?
I am 23.
How does it feel to be pretty much the oldest decrepit snowboarder in the scene right now? Because you're super old and nobody really cares about you anymore.
You cut me deep. You cut me real deep just now.
Yeah, it's been tough these days, like trying to find new sponsors and everything.
I used to be legit, but now I'm not legit.
I'm gonna be unemployed very soon.
And for that reason, I must quit.
Sage Kostenberg, how stoked were you when they made that little bacon medal for you on was it a Tonight Show?
Yeah, it was Conan, heavy.
He said that he wanted his kids to grow up like you.
That was David Letterman that said that.
God, I don't have American TV. I'm Irish. We only got TVs in Ireland like about 6 months ago.
Just colored on them, huh?
No, they're still black and white. We have horses and carts too. You know what a horse and cart is?
God, that was awkward.
I just like to watch dance. I'm a big fan of dance, the art of it, ballerinas, all that stuff.
Gay! Most amount of weed you've ever smoked in one sitting.
Wow. Whew. I don't remember.
That's a great answer. That's good.
You should never put your whole nose in the butthole. It's okay to sniff, but we're not canines. You know?
Ooh, that was weird. So that's a slice of the pie that we've been doing. And come back on a Monday and a Thursday we got more of the same. Well, not the same, it's going to be different, you know what I mean? Alright, we also have Pound of Flesh when we will give you money, vouchers for the Epic TV shop. This is the best one we got so far. It was actually in the first episode. It's Ben knocking his head off. Oh yeah, send us your slams to the blizzard at epictv.com. And you will win money too. See you Monday.
Good? You alright? You alright, dude? Yo, just stay down if you're hurt. Just get it off you. You good, man? Alright? Yeah. Woo! You good, man? Take a header, you gotta take a seat.
Yeah, don't stand up.
Here. Come on. Here.
Let's go over here.